Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and to my fourth and final wedding nail art video in my wedding nail art series. I'm so excited to show you guys today's nail look, and make sure you stay tuned till the end because I will be asking you guys to vote on which nails that I should do for my wedding. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. So I actually wanted to do a lace stamping design today, but I had a complete fail. I couldn't find any of my stamping plates. This is the only one I could find, and I thought, all right, I'll go with this design, and then I just could not get the stamping to work. I'm clearly not good at stamping at all because I just, couldn't figure it out and it was not working, and I don't have time at the moment to stick with something if it's not working. So I gave up and I thought I would try giving freehand lace nail design a go. So that's what we stuck with. So I started off with this beautiful base color, which is The Future is Female from Kester Black. I'm then coming in with a striper brush and some white polish, and I'm going to paint a long thin diagonal stripe across my nail, and I'm then just doing the same a little bit further down towards the base of my nail. I'm then going to kind of fill this in with a bit of a net lace pattern. So I'm just doing a crisscross with my striper brush in that gap between the two thin lines. I'm then coming in with a fine detail brush, and I'm going to draw these little semicircles all the way along that top thin line to create a bit of a lace effect. And then I'm repeating that over the top of that row of semicircles that we've just done to add to the lace effect and make it look really frilly and girly. I'm then coming in with a dotting tool, and I'm going to just do some tiny little white dots all the way around each of those semicircles that we've just created. And as you can see, this really starts to get that lace design effect coming through. And I'm then just adding a row of tiny little white dots at the base of the nail to fill in that gap. And of course, I'm then coming in with a top coat to seal the design in and make it last longer. So I'm actually really happy with how this freehand design worked out in the end. So now it is time for you guys to vote. You've got 12 hours to get your votes in before I do my final wedding nails. So get in quick and leave a comment on this video letting me know which of the 4 wedding nail art designs that I've done is your favorite and which one I should wear for my wedding. I'll have a link in the description box below to the wedding nail art series playlist so you can check out all the designs, and I would love it if you could comment and let me know which one I should do. I'm also going to be running a poll on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube if I can figure out how to do that. So definitely jump in and get your votes in, and I can't wait to see what you guys pick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.